Say again.
We love.
Say it again.
Okay, we love our Oromo flag and we love our land. You can't take what's ours. That's on period.
What's your name?
Kanani, my name is Kanani. I'm Nike Jaltuso Hamadinama.
And you?
Jaltuso Hamadinama. And we're just here for change.
Why you guys coming here?
We're coming here to support Jawar Mohammed. He's the new face of change.
Why you support Jawar?
We support Jawar because he is helping our people. Our people have been oppressed for years, and it's time that we get our justice. Generations. And it's time for us to get our justice.
What do you guys have, let me say, for these people?
You guys are out here wasting your time. You can be at home taking care of your kids. What is this gonna do for you? It's cold here,
Okay,
man.
whatever you want to say for Jawar and
Just want to say we love you. You have a lot of haters, but it's okay. You can't go anywhere if you don't have haters. We are here to support you. We're with you. If you have haters, that means you're doing something right. Yo, I think I'm because you pick a day. I don't want to go to church. So if you feel
Alright,
find that.